This dinosaur I'm drawing is a complete classic. This creature is known as Gallimimus. Gallimimus was first debuted on its first premiere known as Jurassic Park. You know Jurassic Park. You know, the classic. You know that classic. It's the one where they brought dinosaurs to life. As such, Gallimimus got its second debut on Jurassic World Live. Well, the Jurassic World movie, not the live film. It would be splendid, by the way. It would be a splendid idea to put Gallimimus on the Jurassic World Live series thing. That'd be a very interesting comeback. Sure, I've only seen Gallimimus a few times before. It would be nice to see it again. Just asking. I've got big plans for this one. There we are. Here's his tail. I meant his foot. Alright, now we draw the tail. There we are. Now we just draw his foot. And done. There he is. That is how you draw a Gallimimus. I feel like the neck should be longer. There we go. Good as new. Now, where did I put my amber fossil? Can you guys give me a minute? I need to find it. Let's see, where are you? We need to pause this for a minute. On second thought, maybe I'll put this in a short film.